Excel is an outstanding tool. For years it has helped financial controllers, data analysts and reporters keep track of projects. But is Excel a flawed program in the age of tech control? We make mistakes. As much as we may not want to admit it, humans are prone to making errors. We miss crucial points, overlook important details, and fatigue can cause us to skim over details we would otherwise usually consider. When it comes to dealing with large and complex construction projects, this can quite literally be the difference between turning a profit and going bankrupt. Scenario: Joe is a financial controller for a construction company that builds 200 homes a year. He has been accidentally skimming over a single line item expense for ColourBond roofing in his monthly reporting budget. He was causing a small but significant discrepancy between what's in the bank and the budget. This oversight results in his business missing budget by $137,500 over the course of the year.